This video clip will walk you through how to use the Sheets version of starter charts to connect your data to the starter charts. The Sheets starter charts has on its first tab directions that will walk you through the process. And to begin, you want to go ahead and delete the combined file that has the fake information in it, and go ahead and create a new tab and let us call that combined. Then you will go to your combined tab, which is most likely in Excel since we needed to use the macro in Excel, and you want to select all of this data. The easiest way to do that is to use Control A or Command A, depending on whether you're using a PC or Mac, and that will select all of the data. Control C to copy this information, and then go back to cell A1 in your Sheets starter charts and Control V to copy it. Once the data has copied in, now you need to connect this new combined data range to each of the charts that are in the starter charts. So click on one of them, and in the pivot table editor, you will see a reference and nothing showing up as a pivot table. And that's because we deleted the combined table with the fake data and we have not yet mapped it to the real data. So we will go ahead and click on the Excel icon to select the data range. And then we are going to go to our combined tab and activate that. With a cell somewhere in that chart, we are again going to use the Command A or Control A option, which is going to select all of the data. It automatically populates the way it needs to, and select OK. And you'll see that our pivot table now refreshes. And we only need to do that once, because from here we can go ahead and take the range that is in the pivot table editor and use Control C and go to each of the subsequent tabs and just copy and paste for each of those what that range is going to be. So once you've gone and selected it for your first table, you can go ahead and copy and paste that to each of the other ones. And that is how you will use the Sheets starter charts to connect your actual data.